straight.
Oh. When you find crap like that, Angie, where do you set the trap?
I have.
Pick it up. Me? Someone pick it up. And it was together too.
Somebody else picked it up. What was it? What is it?
It stinks. Grandpa, it stinks. And you pick up the doo-doo. Doo-doo. It was stink. Where? Oh. Man. I feel bad for that Kyle, how I pushed it out.
That Kyle was like,